Today going to unbox this, the computer glass that protects our eyes from blue rays from the displays of phone, laptop and desktop. Here I had already unboxed it. You can see the company. It cost me around it cost me around 273. You can also buy it from the description. Here is the company CREEK that you can see. Let's dig it and test it. Let's see the specification of this blue cut lens. This is the company CREEK and it is eyewear and it is blue cut computer glass, and their companies that the slogan, are you ready to look spectacular? See, it's the specification of it. 100% UV protection and blue light protection, and suitable for all screens and block glare and high definition vision. And here it's a specification. See, and here also their communication from the Gmail and Facebook and Instagram. Let's move on. See, box, and here it's a case. Here is the glasses logo. The glasses logo you can see, and in the back here opt rich and made in India, and here Lotus LOTUS, and that's all the case. Let's move on. Here the case is also good. See, here the wiping cloth of the glass, and here also had a logo. Yes, here the logo CREEK, and here is the main product. Here is the main product. See, in this they are given the, as well as glass, also the test or the for it is good or not, like that it given here. I put here, it is here only. Let's see, here the glass, and they give only for this side cover because had a number. You can check the product is on the website, that is good or not. You can see the shine of blue here. See, here let me show you why they are given this. See, and in this, see the blue light test area. Here the paper put here, the test paper put here, and the half is outside and the half is inside. Why this glass is used? So here is its a switch. It acts like same the blue radiation from the display and monitor. See, let's put here, and here. Can you see the difference here and here? I had a cheaper one buy in a local, that is here. The cheaper one, it is a regular glass. See, let me show you why the computer glass and a normal glass, it looks like a same. See, So you can see here the light passes through this glass. So this is a regular one and this is a computer glass. Why they are called this as a blue cut lens? Here you have an example. Let's weigh it. Here is a weighing machine and the blue cut glass. It is around 22 grams and the regular glass, it is also around 22, that you can see here. They look same but they are different, their purpose are different. So here is the cloth, here is the glass. See, I will wear it. See, how am I looking now? Is good. See, its quality also good. See, you can also put this and make a drop test here. See, and this also. See, it is a like a fiber. See. So here is the unboxing of the CREEK blue cut lens. So here is the final unboxing of the blue cut lens. So it will protect from the blue rays from the display and monitor. So here is the unbox. So make sure to subscribe our channel and follow our page.